To set up an AWS Amplify function category, start by understanding what AWS Amplify is. A development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. The function category in AWS Amplify enables you to create serverless APIs and manage backend logic. First, ensure you have an AWS account and the AWS Amplify CLI installed on your machine. If not, sign up for an AWS account and install the Amplify CLI by running the command to install it using npm or yarn. Next, initialize a new Amplify project by running the command amplify init in your terminal. Then follow the prompts to set up your project. Choose the defaults or customize as needed. Once your project is set up, create a new function by running the command amplify add function. Then select the function type, such as Lambda function, and follow the prompts to configure it. After creating the function, you need to push it to the cloud by running the command amplify push. This will create the necessary resources in your AWS account. To manage and monitor your function, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Select the region where your function is hosted, and find the Lambda section to view and manage your function. Best practices include testing your function thoroughly, using environment variables to store sensitive data, and monitoring your function's performance and logs. By following these steps, you can successfully set up an AWS Amplify function category and start building scalable serverless applications. Remember to stay up to date with the latest AWS Amplify features and best practices to get the most out of the platform.